Morning, ma'am. Dito sa ICI. First meeting kami. Patawag lang sila.
Ma'am, sorry.
So,
Para yung masyadong
siya
wala. Cellphone.
information on
Cellphone na lang.
Naka-ready na yung registration records ng mga allegedly involved sa
We are ready with our records, no? Iba-iba naman ang mga information na meron. So, let's see what will happen after this.
May bago kayong itadivulge, ma'am.
Let's see when after the meeting because actually of course it's already with the ICI, so it's up to ICI to discuss this in detail. Basta kami magbibigay kami ng information that is requested from us by the ICI.
Thank you,
So,
ma'am.
yes,
Yeah,
of course, there's
yes.
reforms in
Yeah.
CAP.
Okay.
Actually, we've done that already when the president told us to do the reforms on PHR. Yes.
Kasi paano hindi napapayagan yung mga pick-up official na maging contractors?
Yes, of course. We already yung mga bagong PICA board members cannot be contractors. Kasi in the past, allowed na contractors sila. But that was in the past law. But now, hindi na pwede because it's conflict of interest.
Sek, may updated list ba ng contractors na i-revoke yung license ng pickup?
We'll reveal that after we meet with the IC.
Thank you.
Sek, later.